Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change case lowercase to uppercase. Okay, so here you will see this is my product list. Okay, computer, mobile and Excel, Microsoft, these are the words and these are written in lowercase, means small letter. Now I want to convert it into uppercase, means in capital letter. So how to convert this? Before this, I will request you to subscribe my channel for more videos on Excel. Okay, so to convert from lowercase to uppercase, what you have to do, you have to just press equals to button. Okay, then here you have to just type upper. Okay, this is the function. Then you have to select the text. Now close bracket. Now here you will see this is how you can convert uppercase lowercase into uppercase. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.